Good afternoon, live from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. We are back on the floor at Snowflake Summit. A lot of energy, a lot of excitement. I'm joined by Brian Matsubara, VP of Global Technology Partnerships at Tableau. Brian, this is what it's all about, collaboration in real time.
Ryan, you're the man. No, you're absolutely right. Like this is, and given what we've gone through for the past couple of years, to be here again in person, to meet great people, to kind of show off what we do, it's been amazing. Absolutely loving it.
You know, Brian, can you tell us a little bit about the Tableau Cloud and what it brings to the Snowflake user base?
Yeah, no, absolutely. So, I mean, Tableau Cloud really is, it's a combination of, it's a coupling of everything that Tableau's been known for and been great for the last 19 years, right? It takes all of that, but it marries it with the simplicity, the scalability, the power of cloud with no administrative effort, no nothing. We manage it all for the customers, and they can just get their hands on it. The most important part about that too is because Snowflake is a data cloud, Tableau Cloud and the data cloud can coexist in a very similar environment, which makes it much easier for customers to get their data in, to get their data pulled into Tableau to do analytics, and then push the data right back to Snowflake.
You know, I want to dive into it a little bit. What's behind the Tableau Snowflake partnership that enables, you know, these capabilities and this promotion to happen?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Look, it's a match made in heaven, I think, is one of these things people say. Or
listen, I like that.
let me steal a theme that Colleen Capsey brought out at the Partner Summit, which is we do represent the best in-market solution when it comes to analytics and data accessibility, bar none. Right, and I always kind of equate it to like we're kind of like chocolate and peanut butter or chips and salsa, right? Pick your favorite snack.
Listen, I'll take both.
Where you know we're great in and out by ourselves, but we're so much better when we're together, right? Because what we do is we're taking the best modern data cloud, marrying it with the best BI analytics cloud offering out there in the world, so customers can actually make more meaningful insights from all the data they have.
You know, we hear the buzz, we hear the excitement, we're getting jostled for position because the crowd is so overwhelming here. You want to show us around, Brian?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Come on over. Come check out the booth here.
So Brian, I love it. You know, trusted data, scaled analytics. I mean, this is cool.
Well, first and foremost, I think I would be remiss if I didn't mention that we won.
Congratulations.
We won the BI Partner of the Year for Snowflake, which is quite an honor for us. I mean, they play with everybody in the industry, but it's always good to be best, right? So yeah. And then here's our booth here. We got a great place for people to meet. We got the wonderful Tableau Salesforce staff. And if you want to, let's move in here. We'll give you a quick look at some of the great features.
Honors, Brian, go on. Want to jump into a quick demo?
Yeah, we'll do a really quick demo here. Now, Ryan, Brian, we got great names, but we do not.
And we're bringing the energy. I'm going to join you on this side.
Yeah, we are, but we do not have the name of Bailey Ferrari.
Come on.
I mean, it's on her badge. It is on her badge.
Bailey, what are we working with here today?
We are working with Tableau's natural language processing engine called Ask Data. Ask Data is freaking awesome. It lets you specify your query and view those results in real time. I'm going to hand you back that mic and show you what this is.
Sounds great.
You're able to say, hey, I want to look at my sales by state. All I need to do is type that in.
Talk about ease of use here, Bailey.
Tell me about it. And then Tableau does the lift for you. It's going to say, oh, what are the fields that you said? Oh, you picked a metric and a geographic field? Let's look at a map. Let's say, hey, I want to continue customizing this. All I got to do is click into my field, say, maybe I don't want to look at sales. Let's actually look at, discount. Let's find that field. Just simply type it in. And maybe instead of sum, let's change our aggregation to average. Now
as easy as that, huh, Bailey?
Easy as that. Easy as that. And Brian, you're a sales guy. You know the importance of being able to drill into the data, see what's going on.
Absolutely. Can't hide from anything nowadays.
Nope. We see in this view that there's some discounting problems here in Texas, maybe some in Illinois. You can dig even further down into that by continuing to customize this view. Let's say maybe even we want to look at it by category. Type that in.
Really getting into the granular details to make better decisions off your data.
Exactly. And voila. Just like that, you've got 3 maps, and you can actually see discounting looks pretty problematic across all 3 of our main categories here, but particularly in furniture and office supplies. Technology is doing better overall. So you're able to go from kind of point A to point B, and continuing layering in those questions in real time through that natural language processing.
Bailey, thank you so much for the time. You know, Brian, I love it. We are back in action. People are coming together, sharing ideas. They're matching our energy, which is surprising, Brian. You know, as you look towards the future, what excites you most about the Snowflake and Tableau partnership?
Well, I mean, really, I think we are just at the beginning of this data revolution, right? People are understanding now that data is the most differentiating asset companies can have, right? The way that companies will compete in the market is who can gather the most data, process it the fastest, and make the most meaningful insights from it. That absolutely.
And that's where impact is right at the forefront. Right?
And on top of not just from a business and commercial standpoint, but data does a lot of good for the world.
Right.
I mean,
having a positive impact on millions and billions of people.
Oh, absolutely. To help people understand what's going on with equality, to help people understand how do we deal with something like a pandemic. Right. All these kind of things, the data absolutely play a key role in helping the world understand what we're up against.
And Brian, that's why it's so nice to bring all of these partner thought leaders together to make better decisions going forward. It's been an exciting journey up to this point. Looking forward to continuing the conversation as we move forward. I'm Ryan Green. We're live on the floor. We'll see you soon.